What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So today we're gonna try like a social experiment, one would say. I had a friend tell me, dressed like this, that if I went to the exotic car dealers here in town, they wouldn't give me the time of day. And I call BS. I feel like there's enough social experiments out there online and on YouTube and on Facebook available and on other social media platforms that dealers understand and know what happens when you don't treat somebody fairly, whether you show up in a suit or like a homeless guy. So I feel there's gonna be service there. What do you think? Is there gonna be service there? I also want to know, I'm going to check out some supercars and show you guys whether it's the Ferraris or the Huracans or whatever. Drop me a comment. I want to know, what's your dream? What's your flavor? What's your taste? What do you like? Do you want an R8? Do you want an RS3? Oh, that's a supercar. I'm just throwing it out there. Do you want 488, 458? Let me know. I'm curious. So let's get the show on the road. That's the stuff right there. This guy's Performante 2018. It's 430 grand. That's not wrap, that's actual paint on there. It's got all the forged carbon on it. It's beautiful. Let's get a montage of this. The Lamborghini and the Porsche aren't for you. What about a brand new used McLaren? Let's try that. It was kind of a bust. I was there for like 25 minutes and nobody said anything to me. That said, the 765, my buddy's buddy just bought, I think it was about 900, and the 675 was 440, I think. That's kind of all they had in there. So let's go check Lamborghini out. As cool as Pagani would be, if you're watching this video, it's probably not in your budget. It'd be in there $4 million, and there's none in there anyway. There's a McLaren sitting there, but that's about it. That sounds good. What about a Performante Spider? It's got all Alcantara interior in it. Perf seats, it's got a nice wing. 240. It's a beautiful spec on the car. So Lamborghini again was a bust. Although people talked to me, they didn't really acknowledge me. Just hi, not gonna help you or anything. So, all right, moving on to Ferrari. Maybe it's because I dressed like a homeless person today. That must be it. But almost $1 million. Should be $1 million by the time you put tax on that.